Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see class 8 subject science chapter 6 composition of matter exercise solutions. Question 1. Choose the appropriate option and rewrite the following statements. A. The intermolecular force is fill in the blank in the particles of solid. Options minimum, moderate, maximum, indefinite. Answer maximum. The intermolecular force is maximum in the particles of solid. B. Solids retain their volume even when external pressure is applied. This property is called options plasticity, incompressibility, fluidity, elasticity. Answer elasticity. Solids retain their volume even when external pressure is applied. This property is called elasticity. C. Matter is classified into the types mixture, compound, and element by applying the criteria. Options states of matter, phases of matters, chemical composition of matter, all of these. Answer chemical composition of matter. Matter is classified into the types mixture, compound, and element by applying the criteria chemical composition of matter. D. Matter that contain two or more constituent substances is called options mixture, compound, element, metalloid. Answer mixture. Matter that contain two or more constituent substances is called mixture. E. Milk is an example of type of matter called options solution, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, suspension. Answer heterogeneous mixture. Milk is an example of type of matter called heterogeneous mixture. F. Water, mercury, and bromine are similar to each other because the three are options liquids, compounds, nonmetals, elements. Answer liquids. Water, mercury, and bromine are similar to each other because the three are liquids. G. Valency of carbon is 4 and that of oxygen is 2. From this, we understand that there are fill in the blank chemical bonds between the carbon atom and one oxygen atom in the compound carbon dioxide. Options 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer 2. Valency of carbon is 4 and that of oxygen is 2. From this, we understand that there are two chemical bonds between the carbon atom and one oxygen atom in the compound carbon dioxide. Question 2. Identify the odd term out and explain. Question A. Gold, silver, copper, brass. Answer brass. Others are elements. B. Hydrogen peroxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Answer hydrogen. Others are compounds. C. Milk, lemon juice, carbon, steel. Answer carbon. Others are mixtures. D. Water, mercury, bromine, petrol. Answer petrol. Others are inorganic compounds. E. Sugar, salt, baking soda, blue vitriol. Answer sugar. Others are inorganic compounds. F. Hydrogen, sodium, potassium, carbon. Answer carbon. Others are monovalent elements. Question 3. Answer the following question. A. Plants synthesize glucose in sunlight with the help of chlorophyll from carbon dioxide and water and give away oxygen. Identify the four compounds in this process and name their types. Answer. This process is photosynthesis. 6CO2 plus 6H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2. The four compounds are carbon dioxide, water, glucose, and chlorophyll. Types organic compounds, glucose, inorganic compounds, carbon dioxide and water, and complex compounds, chlorophyll. Question B. In one sample of brass, the following ingredients were found copper 70% and zinc 30%. Identify the solvent, solute, and solution from these. Answer. Brass is an alloy. It contains 70% copper and 30% zinc. The largest proportion is solvent, that is copper. The smaller proportion is solute, that is zinc. The solution is brass. Question C. Seawater tastes salty due to the dissolved salt. The salinity, the proportion of salts in water of some water bodies, Lunar Lake 7.9%, Pacific Ocean 3.5%, Mediterranean Sea 3.8%, Dead Sea 33.7%. Explain two characteristics of mixtures from the above information. Answer. Constituents of a mixture, the proportion of salts in water, do not combine chemically. Their constituents are present in any proportion by weight. The constituent of mixture can be separated by a physical process. Question 4. Give two examples each. Question A. Liquid element. Answer. Mercury, bromine. B. Gaseous elements. Answer. Hydrogen H2, oxygen O2. C. Solid element. Answer. Iron Fe, copper Cu, silver Ag. Question D. Homogeneous mixture. Answer. Seawater, blue vitriol dissolved in water. E. Colloid. Answer. Milk, blood. F. Organic compound. Answer. Glucose, urea. G. Complex compound. Answer. Chlorophyll, hemoglobin. H. Inorganic compound. Answer. Soda, rust, limestone. I. Metalloid. Answer. Silicon, arsenic. J. Element with valency 1. Answer. Sodium Na, potassium K, chlorine Cl. K. Element with valency 2. Answer. Magnesium Mg, calcium Ca. Question 5. Write the names and symbols of the constituent elements and identify their valencies from their molecular formulae given below. KCl, HBr, MgBr2, K2O, NaH, CaCl2, CCl4, Hi, H2S, Na2S, FeS, BaCl2. Answer. Molecular formula. KCl constituent elements: potassium K valency 1, chlorine Cl valency 1. HBr constituent elements: hydrogen H valency 1, bromine Br valency 1. Third, MgBr2 constituent elements: magnesium Mg valency 2, bromine Br valency 1. Fourth, K2O constituent elements: potassium K, oxygen O, potassium valency 1, oxygen valency 2. NaH constituent elements: sodium Na valency 1, hydrogen H valency 1. CaCl2 constituent elements: calcium Ca valency 2, chlorine Cl valency 1. CCl4 constituent elements: carbon C valency 4, chlorine Cl valency 1. Hi constituent elements: hydrogen H valency 1, iodine I valency 1. H2S hydrogen H valency 1, sulfur S valency 2. Na2S constituent elements: sodium Na valency 1, sulfur S valency 2. Next, FeS constituent elements: iron Fe valency 2, sulfur S valency 2. BaCl2 constituent elements: barium Ba valency 2, chlorine Cl valency 1. Chapter 6 Composition of Matter Exercise Part 1 is completed. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.